Hey friends, we are here to do some savings challenges and I am excited. So we have $50 in rollover cash that I didn't spend, and then we have $118 that I budgeted from my paycheck to go towards challenges. And the name of the game today is finishing as many challenges as possible. So let's count it up and see what we have. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 130, 5, 45, 55, 60, 160, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $168. So let's go ahead and see what kind of damage we can do with 168 bucks. All right, we're starting here on medical. And so yeah, like I said, we are gonna try to finish some challenges today if we can, or if not finish, at least try to get close so that we can finish them next time, because November is a magic month. I'm trying to be able to start some Christmas challenges in December. So that is what we're doing today. All right. So this first one is from Ren over at Mischief Manage Budgets. It's so cute. I'm using this to save for medical, and it's a $100 challenge. So let's see what we have. We have 5. I want to do at least 2. Ooh, and 13. 5 and 13. All right, I think I'm going to stop there. And do I have my vacuum around here somewhere? I don't know. I feel like I do, but I'm not going to go hunt it down right now. Okay, so that's 18. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, we have 2 ones. Perfect. I'm going to take out the 2 ones and put in a 20. And so now we have 20, 40, 55, 61. And it's a $100 challenge. So between the 3 of these, we have like $39. Ouch. Okay, I feel like I should do one more. Yeah, ouchie, ouch. 15. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. All right, let's take out this 5 and put in another 20. And my money's all gone already. Okay, so now we have 20, 40, 60, 75, 76. So still $24 between these two. Wowza. Okay. Has to get done. I mean, this one doesn't necessarily have to be done next time, but it would be nice. All right, moving on. So the next one we have here is from Liz over at Liz and Less. And this one is, I don't know, obedience school, I think. And I am using this to save for my dog, go figure. And so all of the names here are $5. And so I'm just going to pull a random name and kind of see. So we have Mutt Damon. This is definitely Mutt Damon right here. And then next we have Ozzy Pawsbone. Let's see, who looks like a rebel? Really none of them. Ozzy Pawsbone. I'm feeling this guy over here. He's getting a little old. All right, so that's 10, and let's do one more. We have Salvador Doggy or Dogie. I'm thinking this guy. All right, so we're gonna put 15 in today, and then next time we will have 15 more, and then that will finish this one up. So 10 and 15. And if you want somebody who's really entertaining and good at doing Liz's challenges, go watch Tracy. I am no fun, and I am not good at making up stories for my challenges. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 75, 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, $85. I'm actually going to go ahead and just switch this prop bill out because I happen to have a real one. All right, so 85. And then 15 more to go, as I said, for next time. All right, next is another one from Liz over at Liz and Less. This is, I'm using this to save for my school fund for the kids. And let's see, I think we're pretty close on this one. We have 4, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 16. So I think let's do 8 and 8. So these books are 4. And this heart is 4. And then next time we will do this for 6 and this for 2 for another 8, and then we will be done. So we're gonna put $8 in. 5, 6, 7, 8. I was trying to find some real ones in there, but I don't think I have any more. Okay. And this one, I want to say this is like 75. Yeah. So 20, 40, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $67. So perfect. $8 more to go on that one. And yes, I could finish it today, but I stopped talking because I literally, like, my brain just like, I don't know. I could finish this today, but nah, I'll finish it next time. Okay, next is from D over at D Plans and Budgets. I'm using this to save for the consignment sale. It's not till April, but I like to start early if I can. That way it's easier to save. So she has these freebies all year round, and this is the November one, and we are going to go ahead and finish this today, and then we have the December one for next time. So each of these icons is 5, so we're going to put in 10, and I'm going to go ahead and color these, and I'll be right back. All right, so not the best coloring job whatsoever, but we are done. So we're going to put $10 in. And we now have $20, $30, and $40. And I have been doing these all year, but I did pull the money out a few times for things that I needed. So that's why it's only $40. It should be around $300 once you have all of the challenges done if you were saving the money up, which I know Tracy is doing that. But again, I was pulling the money kind of along the way. All right, actually this one can come out, but I'm just gonna leave it in there because I'm so disorganized right now. Actually, I do know where my completed challenge envelope is, but it's fine. I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, next we have the Cute and Creepy Coffee from Danny over at Craft Co Budgets. So let's see if we can knock out this whole mug. I feel like I'm already getting low on money. Okay, so we have 1. Okay, so I got a phone call, so if the view looks a little bit different, that's why. Okay, so far we have a 1 and a 5 for $6. And this is a 3 for 8. No, that would be 9. Plus 3 is 12. Plus 4 is 16, right? 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, $16 for this one. I like this because all of the amounts are $5 and below. So 10, 15, 16. And so they're really low income and doable. Now, I don't know how much this is going to add up to because I did take some money out of this as well. So, you know, whatever, it's fine. But this is gonna go towards the finished envelope, and then we do have a few more in here. Actually, this one is finished as well. It looks like we only have 2 more left to finish this. Wow. I'm gonna be sad when these are done because I love these so much. These are like one of my favorite challenges ever. 10, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $35 so far. And again, this is also being used for the consignment sale. So, you know, I'm not in really any hurry to get that done. Okay. All right. Next we have this one here is from the Happy Mailbox Co. I'm using this to save for my emergency fund. Let me grab a marker here really quick. Let's see what we have left. So this is teeny tiny. It was a full page, but I actually shrunk it down to fit in my envelope here. And these dice are really tiny. So we have 2, 3, 7, 8, 10. We have $14. So I think I'll do like 7 this time and 7 next time. Why not? Let's see, 4, 6, 7. All right, 5, 6, and 7. And when it's done, this will be $63. Not a whole lot, but it's something nonetheless. So we have 20, 30, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $56. And there are a couple, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A couple real ones in there. I just wanted to switch those out. So this is going to my emergency fund. Absolutely no need to have real cash in there. Okay, so we are on track, I think, to finish every single one of these so far next week. Okay, next, birthdays. So we have an IOU of $4, so I do want to take care of that. This one is from Lindsay over at Boy Mom Loves to Save. So 1, 2, 3. Actually, that's all my ones. I'm going to take out a, I'm going to take out a 1 and put in a 5. And of course I have no real 5s, but that's fine. Okay. So let's scratch 1 or 2 more. I don't want to go crazy. 6 plus 5. So $11 going into this one. 10 and 11. And so now for this one, we have 10, 15, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 33, and we only have 3 more. So maybe we actually can finish this one next time too. We'll see. All right, that's it for this binder. Now, the only thing we have left are the big boys. So let's grab that binder out. It's so convenient having my binders right up here, you guys. I love it. Okay, so we got vacay and then the 1K, and that's it. This daycare challenge is done and fully funded. I just have it in there just kind of hanging out. Let's see what we have, and it does not feel like a lot. 20, 40, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 64. Oh, man. Okay. Let's see. Let me grab a marker, and then I'm going to decide what I want to do. Okay, so this challenge is from Danny over at Craft Co Budgets. It is double-sided. I finished this side earlier this year. It's nice and it's laminated, so it's reusable. And this side is $175. And what did I say? We have like 64. I don't know how much I want to do. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let's do that. Let's do 50. And I'm just realizing now I have an odd number. I have 64. Oh, so that means I'm only going to put $10 into the 1K challenge. I mean, I could wipe 10 of these away, but that's all right. We're gonna go with what I decided then. So I'll have to put the $4 in something else because the 1K challenge is just 10s and 20s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, so we're gonna put 50 in, and then I could finish this out next time, and this is good because I do really need this money. 20, 40, 50 for my vacation fund. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 155. Perfect. And so again, $20 left to finish this one, and we will finish it next time. Yay! All right, last but not least is the 1K challenge. This is in my savings challenge book, which I do happen to have over here. And this book is available on Amazon along with my savings challenge, my other savings challenge books, my planners, everything like that. And I am working on this $1,000 challenge. So 5 and 10. And then we're gonna have $4 left over. We're gonna have to do something with that. I don't know what. So $10 going in. It's not a lot, but it is what it is. And these raindrops are 10. So we're just gonna do one of those and then we're gonna be done. And the dog is barking upstairs. So if you hear that, I'm sorry. All right, that was quick and easy. Let's put this money in and see where we're at. So 500, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 575, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 580. We are getting close. When I finish Mini Madness, that is going to go towards this as well. Yay! All right, what can we do with $4? I'm thinking, whoops. I am thinking I go back to either birthdays. I think we have a 4 on here, which would probably be smart so we don't have an IOU, but I live on the edge. Let's go here to Lindsay's again. Can we get a 4? We have not scratched a 4 yet, so which one? Okay, let's go here. Oh, okay, it's definitely not a 4. It's a 10. Ouch. All right. Well, shoot, I bet this is a 4. All right, so we have $4. So we have an IOU of 6, and I don't currently know, actually. Okay, I just grabbed my little magic eraser here to erase this, and we have an IOU of 6. I'm not going to count this again. I am going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful for you all. I hope that you are having an amazing weekend and you have an amazing rest of your weekend. As far as videos for next week, I don't know. I mean, I definitely have the setup now, you know, where I'm able to film, but do I have money to film? I really don't know. So that is undecided, but have an amazing weekend. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.